all these other niggas, oh, they so lame. Fuck all these rap niggas, I take one of their chains. Cause they sweet, yeah, them niggas hoes, they don't want no smoke. I pull up to they show with all my...
Okay, so hi guys, it's your real Kaya Curls, and as you could tell by the title, I'll be telling you guys how to survive middle school. And for me, I spent in middle school for half a year, so yeah, I don't have that much experience, but I have the experience. I'm going into the 8th grade, so yes, I have a little experience about middle school. First, choose your friends wisely, because for me, when I found out of 5th grade and going into 6th and 7th, well, 6th I was homeschooled, 7th grade, 5th grade I had like 3 or 4 or 5 friends, and then it turned down to having 0 friends right now. But it's okay, because I really don't care about the friendship stuff, and that's one thing, I don't really care about it. Like, if you really want to pass and go on to the next grade, don't really just give 0 craps about friends. It's good to have classmates because they will help you, but friends, do not even tell your secrets to your friends or your best friends, because you never know what's gonna happen. They're gonna probably tell all your business out there and all that stuff. So stay away from just choose your friends wisely. Stay away from bad kids, because if you hang out with the bad kids, and most of the teachers know who are the bad kids and all that stuff, and most of the administrators. So if you keep hanging around with the bad students, the students will make your school reputation bad, because you're hanging around with the bad kids already. And then there's one other thing that will kind of ruin your reputation, is having a boyfriend, because yes, I used to date boys. Well, I still date boys, but I used to date boys since 4th grade till 7th grade. But I only dated 2 boys. That's it. And for me, I don't even want to be in a relationship anymore, because they just ruined it for me. And plus, I would love to have a relationship with somebody, but they ruined it for me. So I'm really not into relationships no more because of them. But just stay away from the boys. Don't even think about having a boyfriend until you're like in high school. That's it. Because I'm originally supposed to be in high school by now, but they stayed me back because of my birth year, my birth month actually. So yeah, okay, that's one thing. That's another thing. Always do your homework and all that, and like I said, be prepared. Do your homework and wear a uniform if you have to wear uniform. Uniforms will kind of bring your grade down a little bit, but homework and doing classwork will bring your grade down a lot. So you have to do them in order to pass, and you have to have an average, like the grade average is probably 65 or more to pass. If you have above, I always go for an 80 or 70, or possibly a 90. So yeah, so those are a couple things that you're supposed to stay away from. You have to stay, well, choosing your friends wisely. Do not hang around your bad students. keep your reputation good. Do not have a boyfriend. I learned that. And yeah, that's it. Those are the only 4 topics I know about right now. But I got 1 more year and then I go to high school. And I'll probably update y'all later. But I'll probably post tomorrow or next week. Sorry if I'm posting kind of, I'll probably post tomorrow, probably, because I'll be with my sister, but that's a little update. So, hope this little, little advice had helped you, because for me, it helped me a lot, because I had changed my perspective of looking at people. So, and I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.
Smooth me.